Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add text or caption to your video with InShot. But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment on my video. Open your application. After that, select your video. And now you can select text. And then select text again. For example, I will write to add caption drawing. And then it's done. You can adjust and play. So that is the way how you can add text or caption to your video with InShot. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.